इंडिया में 2024 का लार्जेस्ट आईपीओ लॉन्च हो रहा है बाय ओला इलेक्ट्रिक एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू मेक हिस्ट्री। वो पहले इंडियन इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल मेकर होंगे टू लॉन्च इट्स आईपीओ एंड दिस वन इज सेट टू डिलीवर मैसिव रिटर्न्स विद अर्ली इन्वेस्टर्स जैसे कि टाइगर ग्लोबल एंड Z47 मेकिंग अप टू 824% ऑन देयर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स। Now here's everything you need to know about Ola Electric and their upcoming IPO. Ola Electric, which was founded in 2017, has quickly become a leading name in the EV market, known for their e-scooters like the Ola S1 and core EV components like battery packs and motors. उन्होंने multiple EV models launch किए हैं, plus they have a strong omni-channel distribution network. इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर मार्केट देखें तो ये ब्रांड इस टाइम इंडिया में डोमिनेट कर रहा है विद अ 35% मार्केट शेयर, प्लस दे हैव सोल्ड ओवर 3.29 लाख यूनिट्स इन FY24, तो ग्रोथ काफी इंप्रेसिव है। नेक्स्ट, टॉकिंग अबाउट द आईपीओ डिटेल्स, इनका आईपीओ विल किक ऑफ ऑन 2 अगस्त जिससे दे आर एमिंग टू रेज ओवर 6100 करोड़, मेकिंग इट द लार्जेस्ट आईपीओ ऑफ 2024। इस आईपीओ में शेयर्स का प्राइस बैंड रहेगा बिटवीन 72 to 76 रुपीज, वैल्यूइंग द कंपनी एट 33,522 करोड़ रुपीज एंड दिस इंक्लूड्स अ फ्रेश इशू ऑफ शेयर्स वर्थ 5,500 करोड़। इस आईपीओ के थ्रू इनके सीईओ भाविश अग्रवाल का स्टेक विल बी वैल्यूड अ लिटिल मोर देन 9,900 करोड़ और लेट्स पुट इट बेटर अबाउट $1 बिलियन। अब समझते हैं कि इस आईपीओ लॉन्च का रीजन क्या है। Well, with this IPO, Ola Electric's primary focus is on expanding their cell manufacturing capacity at the Ola Gigafactory from 5 gigawatt-hours to 6.4 gigawatt-hours by utilizing around 1,200 crore from the net proceeds. The nearly 800 crore will be used for the repayment or prepayment of loans taken by its subsidiaries, that is OET or Ola Electric Technologies. Further, 1,600 crore will be invested in research and product development, while 350 crore will be used to support organic business expansion. Now I have 4 points to talk about when it comes to their key strengths. First, coming back to the market share, in the electric two-wheeler segment, Ola Electric is dominating in India with 35% market share to 21% से increase हुआ है in 2023. And this shows a strong brand presence and building consumer trust. Second, with 870 experience centers and 431 service centers across India, Ola Electric ensures wide customer reach and excellent service support. Third, August 2021 से the company has launched 7 new products plus announced 4 more upcoming ones. So इससे हम देख सकते हैं कि they are diversifying its lineup of electric scooters and motorcycles. And fourth, they are also establishing a global presence, exporting about 75% of their two-wheelers to regions like Africa, Latin America and Southeast Asia. But now, despite all this revenue growth, there are some risks involved. Ola Electric has faced financial losses and significant declines in profit after tax. They have moved from a net cash positive position in FY22 to net debt in FY24, indicating financial strain and cash burn. Plus, the company operates and depends on a relatively new and rapidly evolving market while focusing on few key products which may impact demand and stability. Lastly, regulatory changes and technological advancements could also impact their business. To summarize, Ola Electric's IPO is not just a milestone for the company, but for the Indian EV sector as a whole. And with significant growth and some inherent risks, the future of the two-wheeler industry could actually be electric. But क्या आप Ola Electric के IPO में invest करेंगे? Let us know in the comments.